Hello friends, today we'll talk about India size and location. As you must be aware about that India is one of the ancient civilization in the world. India has achieved multi-phased progress during the last 5 decades. And it has also contributed significantly to the making of world history. Okay, now we'll talk about longitudes and latitudes. First, we'll talk about equator. An imaginary line running on the globe divides into two equal parts. Such a line is known as equator. You must be clear about latitudes and longitudes. Now we'll talk about the location of India. India lies in the northern hemisphere between latitudes of 8 degree 4 minutes north. Why this is N? N denotes north because we belongs to northern hemisphere. And 37 degree 6 minute north. And now we'll talk about the longitudinal extent of India. That is 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. Basically, India is being divided by Tropic of Cancer. That is 23 degree 30 minutes north in almost two equal parts. That means this is the line which divide India into two equal parts. In southeast, Andaman and Nicobar Island lies in Bay of Bengal, whereas in southwest, Lakshadweep Island lies in Arabian Sea. Okay, I'll explain you this with the help of a map. This line, the red line, shows Tropic of Cancer. Fine. And Andaman and Nicobar is also clear, and Lakshadweep. Okay, now we'll talk about north to south extent of India. How much kilometer does it have? And east to west. North to south, India has 3,214 kilometers. And east to west, it has 2,933 kilometers. Okay, student, now we'll talk about the size of India. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area account for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. It is clear that India is the 7th largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 1500 and the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 km. I'll show you this with the help of this bar graph. Russia is the largest country in terms of area. And Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia. And then comes India. Okay. In India, the longitude of 82 degree 30 minutes east is treated as the standard meridian. Why do we need a standard meridian? Let us talk about this. India is situated from west to east in about 30 longitudes, and it takes 4 minutes to cross a longitude. India is situated between 68 degree east to 97 degree east. Hence, there is a 2 hours difference. in the timing of the westmost and the eastmost of India. If there is no standard meridian, that is longitude, or in India, we have to advance our watch by 4 minutes on each longitude. If we travel from west to east, in order to avoid the problem, we have chosen 82 degree 30 minutes east as a standard meridian, and its local time is taken as standard throughout the country. Okay, and it also lies almost in center of the India. It has prevented a lot of confusion from place to another and has brought harmony in time throughout the country. Thank you so much.